Built in the 12th century by King Anantavarman Chodaganga Deva, the Jagannath Temple isn't just an architectural marvel. It's a place where the rules of the natural world seem rewritten. One of the temple's most whispered wonders. No birds fly above it. Not crows, not pigeons, nothing. Despite being in a coastal urban area, the sky above the Jagannath Temple remains eerily clear. Locals say it's divine energy. Scientists suggest magnetic anomalies or air currents, but no concrete explanation holds. Try as you may, you'll find birds all around Puri, just never directly above the temple spire. And then there's this. Aerial photography rarely works properly over the temple. From drone malfunctions to mysteriously corrupted footage, it's as if something, unseen, refuses to let the Jagannath Temple be viewed from above. Some say it's legal restrictions, others, electromagnetic interference. But even when permits are granted, strange things still happen. To devotees, this is no mystery. It is the will of Lord Jagannath himself, the Lord of the universe, who chooses how and from where he may be seen. Some believe the chakra atop the temple, the Sudarshana chakra, emits an energy field that disorients flight in photography. Others point to ancient Vastu alignment, or geomagnetic energy zones tied to temple placement, designed not just with devotion, but cosmic intention. Whether it's science waiting to catch up or divinity beyond comprehension, what's clear is this. Jagannath Temple does not just exist, it defies. A place where the skies remain respectfully silent, where the heavens protect the unseen, and where mysteries aren't solved, they're worshipped. If this mystery intrigued you, there's more where that came from. Like, share, and subscribe for daily stories from India's ancient temples, where legends meet reality.